Okay, so we're going to start our class. I think I can change the layout. Yeah. Auto. We use auto. Okay. So we have Emily, Kishan, user, and Haran. We have four of you. Never mind. I just continue, and then we will like see lah. The rest will join or what's going to be. Okay. Now we have another one. We have two, Darshika and Darman. Oh, Darman, you joined today. Already finished your karate class? Karate or taekwondo?
Karate. I skipped it.
Oh, you skipped it.
I
Okay.
was I was too tired.
Oh, okay, never mind. So you joined here. Okay, so we have Dashika, Diamond, and Diana. Okay. So we can continue our class today. Hopefully you are all still energetic after school. I know it's evening and yeah, what to do? But we need to learn also. Okay. So before this, we already learned about valid and sound, right? Still remember about valid and sound? Yes, I do. Yeah, need to drink your protein shake nowadays. So yeah, what happened? Okay, sorry. So need to drink like the vitamin and then the minerals like protein, that things to keep rejuvenated. We use that term. So after school I know everyone would be like lazy and then like sleepy, but I hope I would not let you sleep. Even you are learning now, don't sleep, don't sleep. We focus a bit and then you can take your rest and then continue. You are now form 4 and then 1 year you already, not 1 year, half year, still you have half year to go for your form 5 journey. So let's start for class. Valid and sound. Valid and sound already learned before this. Okay, valid. What do we like? What do we need to find to justify an argument is valid or not valid? What do we see? If valid, we need to check the form. Yes, correct, Karan. We have form 1, form 2, and form 3. We have three kind of form. So if you want to say an argument is, okay, I use highlighter to make you like, it would be interesting. I have learned about like, that day I saw a blog, not a blog, like a document, I think. And then they say that if you see more colors like using highlighters, you tend to remember it in the long term. So I try to use highlighters. So valid, we will check the form. It's according to form 1 or form 2 or form 3. Or if it sound, we're going to say, okay, this argument is sound or this argument is not sound. Jangan kata bunyi or not bunyi, not that. Yang ni sound. Or in BM also we can say, yang ni valid, dalam BM we say sa. So sa, and this one is munasabah. Okay, we have 10 of you. Not bad what. Ada juga yang join. So, tak ada masalah. Okay, hopefully yang 10 tu kekal lah. Don't go and rest ke. Nanti kita boleh rest. Now we learn a bit. So, sa munasabah in the end, valid and sound in English. So, sa sama juga macam valid. You need to check the form. Which form? Form 1 ke, form 2 or form 3? Bukan tingkatan 1, bukan tingkatan 2, bukan tingkatan 3. Yang ni form dalam your textbook. They already give you. Kita ada 3 bentuk. Awak boleh check dalam textbook, muka surat page 75. You go and rujuk your buku teks kepada yang belum belajar lah. But I already teach you also. So kepada yang tak join class before this, I'm recapping a bit. So form 1, form 2 and form 3. Form 1 is all A are B. Premise 1, premise 2 is C is A, C is B. So A, B, C kat sini adalah like different terms, like different arguments, different uh, sentences, ada benda baru A, B, C, dia tak sama. So kalau A dia ada term dia, B ada term dia, C ada term dia. So dia repeat again, C is A, maksudnya C dengan A yang term tu. So we will use that. Yang tu form 1. If form 2 awak akan nampak if then. Yang tu highlight for form 2. Awak akan nampak if and then. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu jika maka. Form 2 and form 3. Bentuk 2 dan bentuk 3 kita nampak jika maka, bentuk 1 sahaja semua ialah. Untuk BM semua ialah. So form 2 is a positive form, form 3 is a negative form. Kenapa? Sebab awak tengok P is true, Q is true. Dia dah kata macam tu. Tapi bentuk 3, they say not Q is true, not P is true. So it means that it's not true. Not true is like a negative statement. That's why I use sad face. This one is with smiley face. So awak boleh ingat macam tu. Awak guna emoji that you like, and then your favorite characters from your cartoons or anything. Nowadays, everyone like watching the Korean drama or the what's that anime? Anime. What's that? What you say?
Anime.
Anime. So you can use that characters using their face expression, like they are smiling or sad or like you know about them, right? Like each character, each avatar have their own personalities. So you can use that to guide you. Dengan buat macam itu, like we can understand more and boleh tangkap lagi. Like long term memory kita dia susah tau. If you want to achieve our long term memory ke banyak things. But if awak guna like these cartoons or animes that you like, macam I know ada yang tak suka matematik but they love anime, they love the cartoon or Mickey Mouse, even Tom and Jerry, mereka still love them. So kita gunakanlah mereka dalam nota kita, not for others but yours. Kalau you rasa malu to use Tom and Jerry but you are 17 years old or 16 years old or 18 years old, apa-apa, but it still works for you. Still boleh digunakan. Jangan takut. Yang tu nota you je. So form 1, form 2, form 3 awak boleh ingat macam tu. And I give you yang ni example. All actresses are good at dancing. So yang ni we can 90 years old man. You So it's evergreen. We use that term, evergreen. Dekat like USA, Washington, we have evergreen place. So macam tu juga. So dekat sini, like your memory is evergreen. Still you can remember your childhood. Still awak boleh remember waktu kanak-kanak. Siapa kawan awak. Nanti awak besar, awak ingat balik. So macam tu lah. Awak guna terms ni, awak akan remember. One day, you tengok anime itu and then awak ingat balik, oh anime ini kan I use for this note. Awak akan remember. So yang ni C is A sebab actress kan, yang ni pun actress. C is B. Macam tu. Yang ni kegunaan ini. Awak kena tengok format tu sama ke tak. If ada difference, so automatically dia tak akan sound lah, bukan sound for valid, sah ataupun valid in English, not valid ataupun tidak sah, kita kata macam tu. For munasabah or sound kita akan tengok ini nota juga. So for munasabah ataupun sound, so kita akan tengok the kesimpulan, conclusion and each premises. Kita akan tengok benda tu. But for me, I will use conclusion only. But textbook now, after the what's that? Harun, that day you send me the errata. Errata for maths. So errata for your textbook. So they use two terms, conclusion and premises. So each premises, maksudnya kat sini premis 1, premis 2, dalam bahasa Melayu pun still premise. So premise 1, premise 2 and kesimpulan. Every sentence need to be true. Ha. Kalau semua true, baru you can say it's sound. It's a sound. Ataupun you can say it's sound. It sound saja pun boleh. Ataupun munasabah. Like that. So awak boleh buat macam tu. So I just already recap a bit. Kalau still like you don't have idea, now you will have idea about the forms and then the valid sound, sah, munasabah and then bentuk. Semua boleh tahu. Sekarang saya dah recap sikit. Okay, kalau awak nak full explanation, kena watch video before this. Sekarang kita masuk another thing. Okay, now yang like it's like need to do by yourself. Antara tu like mereka akan bagi ruang kosong. Yang ni pun sangat famous for SPM. Like they will give you okay like this lah. Okay. Okay, you have like a place to write. Yang ni awak boleh tulis and then mereka akan give you anything. Akan ada dua lah. So don't be to worry. They give you two. It could be premise or it could be conclusion. Boleh jadi apa-apa tapi akan ada dua. But you need to find one. It could be premise also. It could be conclusion. Sebab premise kita ada dua. Conclusion ada satu. So akan you will have two information. So apa yang we need to do? We do this a bit and then kita sambung untuk another subtopic. So ini 3.2C. Okay, self practice. Okay, kita sambung. All the people in 4 amanah use digital textbook. Okay, so awak boleh tengok mereka guna all right. So all form 1, form 2 or form 3. Cuba jawab. Bentuk 1, 2 or 3. Which bentuk? Guys can hear right? Form 1 or form 2 or 3. Okay, Harun said form 1. Yeah, form 1. Kalau still tak ingat, tengok sini yang from your textbook. Tengok. Yang ni mereka guna all. Form 2 and form 3 mereka guna if then. If then. Okay. So awak boleh ingat terus. Bentuk satu all. So kita sambung. Ini bentuk satu. Form 1. Where is that question? Okay. All the people info amanah use digital textbook. Pravina is a people of for amanah. So yang ni you can potong like this. For amanah you see here. Okay, here also we have for amanah people. Okay. Yang ni you don't see. Okay, tak ada kat situ. And then all is the format. So tak perlu potong apa-apa. You see here you have Pravina. Okay, so Pravina is a name. And then you can remember again. All A is B and then C is A, C is B or it could be R ataupun is ikut ayat tu. So we use lah C here is Pravina, A is people for amanah. So they use, you need to write again C is Pravina again, Pravina. Okay, and then you need to write use digital textbook. Use digital textbook. Books. Okay. So yang ni for 1A. Can you understand yang ni? Boleh faham ke? I think it's simple lah. Harun take. Okay, yang lain. Kishan, Darmin, Darshika, Emily, Yuze. Yuze. Okay. Kita tengok another question. Premise 1. If, okay, you see here if. Okay, what's your pilihan for bentuk? Form. Which form? Form 2, Form 1 or Form 3? I just come to study. Yeah, everyone come to study. Okay, it should be 2 and 3. Antara ini, it could be 2 or 3. So if Kai Meng is the champion of the state level chess competition, then he will get a cash prize of 200. And then you can see here, Kai Meng is the champion of the state level chess competition. So awak boleh tengok sini, mereka salin balik benda ini. You can see here. So apa yang you can do, you can potong. So you will have then he will get a cash prize of 200. Ha. So apa yang kita kena tulis, you ulang balik Kai Meng because they didn't give you Kai Meng. Yang ni dengan ini sama kan? Ini dengan ini sama. So I use same color lah, blue color and blue color. So kita tulis Kai Meng will get a cash price of RM200. Macam tu. We write down. You just need to like cut yang sama. If you okay, tengok ni. If quadrilateral PQRS is a regular polygon, then can you read this? Yeah, okay, can. Okay, I think now it's okay. Okay. So, if quadrilateral PQRS is a regular polygon, then quadrilateral PQRS is a square. So, kat sini you can see quadrilateral PQRS is not a square. Say, okay, quadrilateral yang ni maksudnya. Okay, quadrilateral. Oh my god, kenapa tebal? Okay, quadrilateral PQRS is not a square. Quadrilateral PQRS is not a square. Sudah potong. So, what do we have? Quadrilateral PQRS is a regular polygon. But premise 2, cuba tengok. They use apa perkataan keyword for premise 2? Apa yang mereka tambah? I already underlined that word. Premise 2. Red color. Not. Not. So it means that is it form 1 or form 2 or form 3? Negative. Negative is form 3. Betul 3. Okay, Haran, Kishan and Haran. So, sama lah. Okay, so bentuk 3. Okay, bentuk 3. Set face. Okay, so it's negative statement. So you need to write again lah. Yang ni tulis balik. Quadri. Tebal balik. Sekejap I changed it. Quadrilateral PQRS is a regular polygon or is not a regular polygon? Is a regular polygon ataupun is not a regular polygon? Which one? Is not a regular polygon. Sebab yang ni bentuk 3. Is not a regular polygon. Okay. Cuba tengok D. All isosceles triangle have one axis of symmetry. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So apa yang kita buat, we just potong the same word. So isosceles triangle, they use all. So all, it means that it's form 1. Form 1 sebab all. All maksudnya semua. So all. So maksudnya you will have C is A, C ialah A, C is B, C ialah B. You will have that for bentuk 1. So yang ni maksudnya this one is C. So this one is A. So awak kena buat for B lah, CB. Segitiga ABC have one axis of symmetry. Okay. 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 Macam ni. You just need to cut the same one and then tulis balik apa yang mereka tak tulis. Premise 1. If 3m equals to 2n, then m n is 2, 3. Okay, 3m equals to 2n. So yang ni mereka dah tulis. Okay, ini sama kan? So still you have this one. So write down lah m n equals to 2, 3 ratio, right? Uh, can understand Boleh faham ke? Until now can understand? Like, okay. Karen said yes. Yang lain boleh. Kishan, Darmin, Karshika, Emily, you can if m plus 3 less than 2m, okay, question 2m minus 9, then okay, then m greater than 12. Okay, yang ni apa yang sama, you can see this one and this is same but not same. So awak tengok, this is greater than, this is less than. So it means that this one is form 1, form 2 or form 3. Yang mana? Form 3 is the negative, so akan terbalik. So is it form 2 or form 3? Kishan said form 2. Everyone agree with Kishan. Form 2. Okay, Haran said 3. Yang lain? Darmin? Darmin, are you there? Okay. 3 is negative. Yeah, 3 is negative. Okay, you see here. 3 is negative and then this one they change to this. Mereka tukar simbol. So if they tukar macam tu, it means that mereka macam jadikan negative. So it's form 3. Form 3 bentuk 3. But you change means 2. Okay. I must have missed class, especially the part I one miss a lot. Oh my god. Catch up with the videos. Yeah, you can catch up. Need to a bit lost. Okay. Yeah, you need to catch up again, not catch up. Right, catch up. Tomato sauce. Okay, so you need to catch up. Form 3. So yang ni mereka macam song-sangkan. So it means that macam mereka negatif kan. So it's form 3. Apa yang tomato sauce? Okay, yeah. So you need to change this also. Awak kena tukar simbol tu. M plus 3 greater than 2M. Okay, yang ni. Okay, yang ni you need to, this one you need to like look at the example. If they didn't give you like ni and sama dengan, they didn't give you this, mereka bagi ini je. For this also you write that. Kalau mereka bagi macam ni, then you do lah. You need to like you need to do according to the example mereka bagi. So premise tu mereka bagi macam tu, so awak tulis balik but terbalik version lah. You need to like inverse that song sang kan. Who's that entering and then left entering and okay. So okay. Now look at this. Premise 1, premise 2, and we have conclusion. We have 3. Just now you can put more inner. Yeah, the purple one is. Wait, I think I need to change everything. Red color. It's so nipis. I don't think you can see that. Okay. I think this is okay. Okay, now you're going to find premise 2. Just now you were finding conclusion. So, we, okay, we do the first one. Premise 1. All straight line, semua garis lurus with zero gradient are parallel to x-axis. Okay. Then premise 2, they didn't give you anything, but you see the first premise, you see all. So all means form 1 or 2, form 1 form 1. So jangan lupa. So you will have, okay, all straight line with zero gradient are parallel to the x-axis. Straight line AB is parallel to x-axis. So apa yang saya mau buat, this one AB is parallel to x-axis. This one we can potong with this. You can eliminate that. So you still have straight line with zero gradient. Still ada kan? So we write down at the premise 2. Straight line with zero gradient. Dan macam tu kita tulis straight line. Okay, saya ada termiss sesuatu. Siapa boleh like find that? Saya ada miss sesuatu kat situ. Straight line with zero gradient. Still remember all A is B, C is A, C is B. So it should be C. Yang C tu ada masalah. Cuba compare premise 2 and conclusion. Yeah, Aaron already find out. A, B. Cuba tengok ini. I use highlighter. Dekat situ ada A, B. This one you don't have A, B, sudah salah. Okay, so you need to have your A, B. Ikut soalan. Okay, so the second question. Okay, this one they already like you need to write the premise one. So premise one yang selalu you will find whether it's form 1, form 2 or form 3. Now by this 891 is a gandaan 9. Ialah gandaan 9. 891 is divisible by 3. So yang ni, it looks like C is A, C is B. Right. So this one is form 1 or form 2 or form 3? Form 1. Yeah, still form 1. So, if still form 1, waktu ini yang kamu kena guna your waktu ini kamu kena guna bentuk satu. You need to do like form 1. So, macam mana you tulis? You will do all. Do you need to include the number 891? No, yeah. You don't need to include the number. Tak perlu tambah nombor. Why tak perlu tambah? Because you need to remember all A is B, then C is A, C is B. Ada ke dalam premise 1, do you have any C's? Tak ada kan? Kalau tak ada C, you don't need to write down 891 yang merupakan C. Tak perlu tulis dalam premis 1. Okay, so just write down all numbers. Okay, can write down ataupun all A, right? A. So yang ni sepatutnya A. C is A, C is B. So all multiple of 9. Ni saya padam. Are divisible by 3. Yang ni, okay. Ada orang yang if they like not good in their English, all multiple of 9, they follow this one. All is multiple of 9 is divisible by 3. I think still they will terima that kind of answer because this is maths, not English. If you do like mistakes in your English pun tak apalah. Okay. So C. Cuba try C. Please try. I'm going to check your answer. After trying, give your answer. Send it in the chat box. Cuba send. Yang tu paling simple. Next to polygon P is a nonagon. Okay, Haran said that. Yang lain, Kishan, Darwin, you still have Darshika, Emily, Emily, is that two? Okay, two polygon P is a nonagon. Why you have two polygon? Listen, that means two polygon. Or you accidentally wrote 2 times 2. Okay, Harun said P. Okay, you change your lowercase p. Put the question in. Okay, so okay, I give you the answer. The premise 2. Okay, 2 polygon P is nanogon. That's your answer, Kishan. 2 polygon P is nonagon. So for this, cuba tengok, polygon P has 9 verticals. Then this one is same. Polygon P has 9 verticals. This one you can cut. Then you still have polygon P is a nonagon. Then if okay. So if and then is the format. Kan tadi saya kata like uh, is all A is B. So A dengan B yang berubah-ubah. All is still remains there. So macam tu juga if then still remains there. So apa yang ni? Ini yang akan berubah-ubah. So your answer is polygon P. Kalau mereka bagi huruf besar, you need to write down huruf besar. Nanti boleh salah. Okay, okay, Harun sudah tukar. Bagus. So you need to change. Jangan write down your suka hati nanti salah pula. Polygon P is the letter matter. Yeah. Polygon P is a nonagon because this is not mathematics. Even though you learn in modern maths, but um, it's not maths. I also don't know why we have this chapter in maths. So polygon P is a nonagon. That's for C. Wow. Cuba tengok D. X greater than 6, X greater than 4. So, okay. Cuba beritahu jawapan. Ada tak? Who wants to volunteer to give the answer for D? Kita tak akan guna all lah. Sebab you see here, kalau all, awak akan ada A is B and then you have another one. C is A, C is B. Tapi yang ni nampak macam satu je. So you no need to write down all. Tak boleh guna. Okay, kitchen, your answer is right. If x greater than 6, then x greater than 4. Ya, betul. Good. Sudah betul. Even though you don't know. Sebab this one we use if then and then you need to ikut the urutan. Need to follow the steps. Kalau first mereka bagi A and then the second one they give you B. Very happy, ya. So kita guna if A then B. Format kita macam tu. If A then B. Kalau tak ingat, kita tengok form. I think I need to take a glass of water. I didn't bring my water down first. Okay, then what? If P then Q, if P then Q. Cuba tengok the first line for this same is same. If P then Q, dalam form 3 also is if P then Q. So the second premise and then the yeah, I'm going to go downstairs and take it. Okay, premise 2 and we have conclusion. So P is true, Q is true. That's for form 2 and then form 3. Not Q is true, not P is true. So kat sini kalau mereka bagi apa-apa jenis pun, for premise 1, you will follow the P then Q. Macam tu lah. So for this, there is that question, right? This one. If x greater than 6, then x greater than 4. Kita buat macam tu. Okay, I give you time. Cuba cari E, F. Find premise 2 and premise 1. And then type your answer in the chat box. I'm going to take a glass of water. Okay. Wait, write down your answers, Okay. Okay, I'm here. E. Okay, I read kitchen first. Kitchen 10, 5, 10. Okay. Then 5, 11. Suhu bilik adalah kurang daripada 19 Celsius. So, okay. The room temperature is not lower than 19 Celsius. Hmm. For the second question, I'm not sure. The room temperature is lower than 19 Celsius. Ada soalan. Room temperature 25 generally in science right now. Okay, wait, I find. Okay, so for E, if it is raining today, then the room temperature is lower than 19 Celsius. Okay, that's the first premise. And then to see the conclusion, they give you it is not raining today. So awak tengok yang ni sama kan? But they use not. So it means that this one is form 3. But it's negative sentence. So yang ni mereka tambah not. So awak still ada another one sebelah. The room temperature is lower than 19 Celsius. Then you need to write the room temperature is not lower than 19 Celsius. Itu jawapan awak. Kena ada not ataupun tidak kurang. Okay. Okay, so for Kishan, jawapan E sudah salah. Haran, okay, correct. For the second question, not sure. Izzat Fikri, the room temperature is lower than 19. Okay, sudah salah. You need to have not. Room temperature 25 generally in science right now. Yeah, 25. Mm. But here they give that. Kishan, I don't have English textbook, so my teacher gave Malay textbook. So I type in Malay. The room temperature is not lower than 19 Celsius. Yeah. Oh, you don't have English textbook. Oh, you're learning in BM, BM, not DLT. Oh, Haran, no English. No English or no, it's English. What do you like? What's the expression? I mean study in English. Okay. But why your teacher give a Malay textbook? Malay version, not Malay textbook, Malay version. Oh, no stop. Then but you're learning in English, then teacher will translate for you. Translate it.
அண்ணே
Yeah.
simple as this அண்ணே my class is DLP class my teacher don't know how to talk in English.
So you're using a BM version lah, textbook.
Yes,
No, but you're learning in English.
actually mix lah, sometimes English sometimes Malay.
Oh, in your school, you will do your exam in English or BM.
English.
Okay. Wow. Now KPM. What happened KPM? Need to ask.
Nah, other school okay அண்ணே my school mangkuk ayun அண்ணே.
Never mind lah. What to do? Okay. So, okay. Premise one. Yang ni we don't know. Then premise 2 they give you x less or not equals to 8 tidak sama dengan 8. And then 3x minus 8 is not equals to 16. So macam mana kita nak tulis? Kita tengok jawapan. Okay. Just now Harden or Christian. Christian said if x less than 8, then okay. If 3m, okay, terbalik, okay. Okay, the correct answer is current one. Kishan, sudah salah. Okay, you see here. Kalau you see tidak sama dengan, it means that tidak sama dengan, not equals to. Oh, it's so tidak is negative. So it's form 3. Right, bentuk 3. So bentuk 3, you need to tengok it betul-betul. Tengok betul-betul. Okay, if P then Q. Cuba tengok ini. If Q is not Q is true, not P is true. So mereka start dengan Q, then only P. Tapi kat situ kita start dari P. If P then Q. Yang ni sudah terbalik kat bawah. But form 2 yang ikut sama sebiji like from the premise 1 yang ni, if P and then Q, dia ikut sebiji sama. That's form 2. So form 3, if you like set face, negatif kan, terbalik. Sudah terbalik. So cara you tulis pun kena terbalik. This one. So how you write? You write if this one first. 3x minus 8 not equals to 16, then x not equals to 8. Macam tu kita tulis. If in questions that has symbol inequality, how will be the form 3? Oh, okay. Like this one. Just now.
Anna,
Yeah.
inequality is not considered a negative statement.
Inequality.
Yeah.
Okay, give me an example.
F, the x is not equal to.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a negative thing. Yeah, it's a negative. That's why I use set face.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So if in question that has symbol inequality, how will be the form 3? Okay, it's like this. Kita they say not true, right? Not true, dia macam negatif. And then negatif. Tidak sama dengan, sama macam not true. And then yang ni, inilah the basic thing. But awak nampak they give you premise 1 if contoh A greater than 2, then 3 greater than 3. Mereka bagi macam ni. And then you see P2, mereka tulis C less than 2. So kat sini awak boleh tengok mereka sudah songsangkan. Sepatutnya this is not 2 lah. It's 8. Okay, mereka bagi macam ni. So you can see that mereka sudah songsang. So kalau mereka tulis songsang, maksudnya this is form 3 also. Sebab mereka macam sudah negate that statement. Sudah terbalikkan. So that's why awak kena tengok soalan betul-betul. If premise 1 and premise 2 mereka tulis macam tu, baru kita tengok. Okay, can understand? Okay, vision can Haran? If then becomes yeah, that one you need to follow the premise 1. Okay, macam ni. They give you for wait, where is that example just now? This one. Cuba tengok ini. This one mereka bagi macam ni. And then they sudah songsangkan. Right. Mereka sudah songsangkan. Okay. And then awak tengok kedudukan ini yang first. Sepatutnya the first one should be itu kan, the first one. If A then B, right? And then kita tulis A dulu baru B. But this one mereka tulis B dulu baru A, terbalik. So it means that mereka sudah negate, sudah terbalikkan. Yang ni kita ikut, if the example beri macam tu, okay, example daripada ini mereka jadikan itu. So we follow that. Kita tukar macam tu juga. If the sample mereka bagi macam ni, kita ikut yang tu juga. So it depends on the question. If not, kalau macam contoh soalan itu mereka tak bagi, and then you follow this one because your textbook already ada example. This example. So kita ikut yang ni. Can understand, Haran? Kan Okay, kan. Boleh faham? Tengok kedudukan mereka start dari depan atau belakang. Kalau mereka start the premise 2 from the back, maksudnya macam ni, from back. Dia start dari belakang, maksudnya is form 3, negative thing. Kalau mereka start dari depan baru positive, form 2. Okay, kita sambung. Okay, now first of all saya nak tanya, valid and sound, boleh faham kan valid and sound?
Yes.
Yes. So valid and sound kena faham dulu because macam mana, valid and sound, and then sekarang you will learn about strong, weak, cogent and not cogent. Awak akan ada another combo. So for the first combo awak kena tahulah, sebab I don't want you to confuse them. So deductive statement yang ada, oh my god. Okay, yang deductive statement yang ada valid and then sound. Kalau inductive statement, now awak akan ada strong and weak, strong or weak, and then you will have cogent or not cogent. Ini yang baharu lah. We have this thing. So yang ni sudah belajar. Ini yang kita akan belajar hari ini. Strong, weak, cogent, not cogent. Nama dengar pun pelik. Okay, so for strong and weak dalam bahasa Melayu, okay, berapa orang belajar dalam BM? Please raise your hand. All learning in English. Okay, so kalau all learning in English, saya tulis je and then okay, Angela in BM. So kita akan tengok kuat, lemah, strong, weak, cogent, not cogent ialah yakinkan, meyakinkan ataupun tidak meyakinkan. Tidak yakin. Saya tulis short form. Cogent, not cogent. So we will do this. Kita tengok ini. So saya sudah tulis siap-siap. If strong, weak, kuat, lemah, kita akan tengok kesimpulan. Kita akan tengok apa? Kesimpulan. Kita tengok kesimpulan. Conclusion. We will like check the conclusion. Is it true or not true? True ke false? Kita tengok itu. Baru kita tentukan that argument is strong or weak. Dia kuat ke lemah. Kita tengok guna itu. Okay, I'm going to repeat a bit. For sound, you will also check the kesimpulan. Okay, and then the premise. So, yang ni pun sama macam tu. So, you have a relationship here. Ada relation. So, sound dengan strong and weak. But cogent and not cogent, yang ni you hanya tengok premise. Ini hanya tengok premis. Oh, yakin tak yakin. Tengok premis. Strong, weak, tengok kesimpulan. Yakin tak yakin, tengok premis. Okay. So, kita tengok yang ni. I raise a bit. Example. Okay, ada example. Premise 1. So you have premise 1, 2, 3, 4 and then conclusion. Tadi you ada berapa premise?
3.
Oh, when did you learn 3?
Sorry, 2 premise, 1 conclusion.
Two premise, one conclusion. Now four premise, one conclusion. Okay. So yang ni inductive, inductive. Just now deductive. Deductive kita akan we use the acronym for deductive apa? Siapa ingat lagi? Deductive. We have an acronym. That's wow. I still remember that's or that's. So kita ada tu. So that means general to specific. Umum kepada khusus. So sekarang yang ni inductive. Maksudnya khusus kepada umum. It's terbalik. Specific to general. You need to remember one. That's why I give you an acronym for one. Deductive. That's so you can remember one side. So yang ni. Cuba tengok. Okay. Who wants to read? I give you opportunity to read. Siapa suka baca? Anyone? Kishan try lah.
Determine whether the given arguments are strong or weak. Hence, determine whether the strong argument in how to say that word
You can say cogent or coffer or whatever. Okay.
cogent or not cogent and justify your answer.
Okay. So now you want to justify your answer. It's maths only, so you can like pronounce any way. But you need to understand. You need to write it correctly. That's all. That's the thing. Okay. So A, G. So premise one. The chairs in the living room are red. Premise two. The chairs in the dining room are red. The chairs in the study room are red. The chairs in the bedroom are red. Conclusion. All chairs in the house are red. Okay, just now kita tengok strong and weak. Strong and weak. Kita tengok apa? We will check the conclusion. Kita check conclusion or kesimpulan. So cuba tengok kesimpulan ini betul tak? Is it true? All chairs in the house are red. True or false?
To
True. Okay, Kishan said true. TV said true. Cuba jawab lagi. I want you to communicate with me. True. Like he? We have Angela, Izzat, Emily, Darmin, Lashika. Jawab. Don't say you are sleeping. Tidur, no. Okay. So macam ni. Okay, Angela, Izzat sudah jawab. Okay. Mereka kata ruang tamu warna merah. Not ruang tamu warna merah. Angela said, sorry sir, what happened? Never mind, it's okay. Okay, so living room. Ruang tamu, kerusi kat ruang tamu warna merah. Kerusi kat dining room warna merah. The study room warna merah. Bedroom warna merah. But they already like leave one place. Apa? Two place lah. I think the second place tak ada. No, bathroom who has chairs?
Toilet.
Mm, toilet? No. Where you cook? Yes, kitchen. Kitchen, they didn't even mention red color or green color or black color. What color? They didn't even mention. Not toilet, bathroom, no. Okay, so kitchen. Mereka tak kata, so you cannot assume it's red also. So it's not true. Or you can say as false, tidak benar, palsu. Okay, so that's why they give you is weak. Okay, weak. Kalau weak, terus kita boleh kata not cogent. No, not dining room a part of kitchen one. Dining room, we have a room, and then after that only kitchen, right? Dining room and then kitchen, dining room, like that. Or if you want to do dining room here also can, and then kitchen also can, according to
But
the.
every time the dining room and the kitchen is like next to each other, so basically they can be one like that.
Oh, you are doing like that. Yeah, but kitchen is a place to cook, and then dining room is a place to eat. So we have two purpose. So we already separated it. Okay. So for this, not true, false. Okay. Not true, false maksudnya is weak ataupun kita panggil lemah. Kalau
And
weak, yeah.
we must say the statement is weak or what?
Yes, you can write like that. The statement is weak or the argument is weak. The argument is weak and not cogent. Weak only we have one pair, not cogent saja ataupun tidak meyakinkan. Tidak meyakinkan. Kita ada satu pair saja. So weak, lemah, not cogent. Okay. Lepas you dah beritahu ini, you need to give your. What you need to give? Give what? Give
Conclusion.
not conclusion. Give what? Reasoning. You need to give your reason. Conclusion. They already give the conclusion. Ini conclusion. So we are going to give our reason. Kenapa awak kata weak? Kenapa awak kata not cogent? So mereka kata apa? Although the premises are true, the conclusion is probably false. Semua premis adalah benar, tetapi kesimpulan adalah palsu. They give you macam tu. So macam tu lah kita tulis. Okay. So for the second one, now we have two premise as usual. 27 is a multiple of 3. Is it right? Betul atau tidak? Premis 1. 27 ialah gandaan 3. Yeah. Yeah, true. Correct. Then premise 2. 81 is a multiple of true. Benar ke palsu? Okay, Haran said true too. Yang lain? Okay, true. Okay, yang ni you say true, this one you say true. All multiples of 9 are multiple of 3. Now, it's true or false? Now false. So, if false means like this lah, it's weak. But you see here, they say strong and cogent because all the premises and conclusions are true. So, apa yang awak kata? Okay, you say weak and not cogent, right? Okay, you say the conclusion is false. Apa nombor yang awak kata false? Nombor apa yang you say false? 3. All multiple of 9 are multiples of 3. Macam ni. Kita start daripada first. You bagi correlation. Okay, like this. All multiple of 9. Macam mana? 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay, macam tu kan? Of the multiple of 9. Multiple of 3. Yang ni multiple of 3 tak? Cuba bahagi 3. Dapat nombor bulat or what? If nombor bulat, maksudnya it's multiple. Yang ni bahagi 3. Use your calculator. Oh, you get 6. So it's multiple. 27 divide by 3. Oh, you get 9. Get 9. So, multiple. 36 bahagi 3. So, you get 12. Multiple. Macam tu. So, it's true. Okay, kita start dari depan, baru you check the back one. Okay, so yang ni is true. So now you already check the conclusion is true. So kita akan kata bahawa strong. Okay, we will say is kuat. Yang ni kuat kuat. Kuat or strong. And then cogent or not cogent. Cogent or not cogent. Cogent lah. Saya tulis atas pula. Sorry. Cogent ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil meyakinkan. Tak perlu beritahu sebab if you want to say also can. It's a strong statement and it's a cogent statement. Ya, can. Boleh. Tiada masalah. Boleh terus beritahu macam tu. Okay. Then C. A mackerel. Now science lah, science. A mackerel breathes through its gills. Ada insang untuk ikan mackerel. Then a shark breathes through its gills. Shark dia breathe guna insang. Then all fishes breathe through their gills. So you say okay, Kishan said true. And then the conclusion is true or what? Ture. Okay, is it true or false? Benar ke palsu? Conclusion. Okay, Kishan say true. Yang ni true. Ada yang pandai science yang selalu A+. Or you say wait. Evie said true or it could be false. Why you say like that, Evie? Why you say true or stroke false? False. There is one animal that has lungs. Whales. Yeah. Kitchen, correct. Not good. Okay. False. If we say I think
I look
false.
the whales have lungs, they breathe underwater also.
What?
I lupa already, I forget for very long I never touched too much science books.
Yeah. So whales breathe through their lungs. Gunakan paru-paru, peparu. So whales dengan dolphin, mereka guna paru-paru lah untuk breathe in water. So it's a fish family. Ikan, dia keluarga ikan juga. Jangan pinggirkan mereka. So dolphin and whales still fish. Ataupun mereka kita panggil apa? I really forget name. So ikan-ikan tu still keluarga ikan, but mereka breathe through their gills. Mereka bernafas menggunakan insang. So mereka pula. So we cannot say that this is true. So yang ni false. Okay? Sebab mereka kata all. Kalau mereka kata some fishes. So it means that true. Okay? True. Whales are classified as a fish, but the largest among all fish species, and they have lungs instead of normal gills. Yeah, correct. Betul, Kishan. So it's like that. So yang ni, is it true or weak? True or weak? Is it strong or weak? Strong weak kita tengok conclusion lah, kesimpulan. So it's weak lah. Yang tu lemah. Okay, kenapa lemah? Kenapa lemah? Not cogent. Jangan lupa. Weak only have one pair, not cogent. Tidak meyakinkan. So kenapa kita macam kata macam tu? Because the conclusion is false. Because the conclusion is false. Kesimpulan adalah palsu. Sebab tu salah. Okay. Now, the this topic very interesting. Akan you jumpa banyak soalan. So, from various subjects. Ada geography, ada maths, ada science. So, yeah, you need to use your brain for this topic. So, I really like this. So, yang ni, 11 darab 5 sama dengan 15 true. Okay, ini say true. So, maksudnya, what's our answer? Evie, Kishan, Haran, everyone. Apa jawapan kita? If everything true. Strong, cogent, kuat dan ya, cogent, meyakinkan. Habis. Kuat dan meyakinkan. Wow. Okay, now we have 4 premises and 1 conclusion. 1 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. All prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. So, cuba beritahu every premise true ke false ke? Premise 1 false. Premise okay, you say premise 1 false, correct. Premise 2 is 2. Premise 3 is true. Premise 4 is true. All prime numbers. Conclusion is true or false? Conclusion. Evie say true. Yang lain semua? True. So, true. So, it means that conclusion true kita tulis kuat ataupun strong. Right. But for cogent kita kena kata apa? Not correct. Not cogent. Tidak meyakinkan. So awak ada tengok kan sekarang another pair just now weak not cogent ataupun lemah tidak meyakinkan. Now you have strong not cogent pair dia. So hanya weak ataupun lemah terus kita kata not cogent, tidak meyakinkan. So kena ingat yang itu. Okay. You can see here, weak, only one option, not cogent. But for strong, we have cogent and not cogent. So strong, you ada dua pasangan. Ni ada satu pasangan. You remember like this. Okay. So strong and weak. Strong dua pasangan, weak satu pasangan. Okay. Now kita tengok ini. The table is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. The cupboard is made of wood. All furnitures are made of wood. Okay. Now think out of your box. So the conclusion is right or wrong, true or false. Kishan said false. Yang lain? Haran said false. False lah. Okay.
Is his
Yeah.
sofa made out of wood?
Huh?
His sofa made out of wood?
Sofa made of wood, but the frame only. The centerpiece a cushion.
So false.
Yeah. Okay, now you need to think like this. Furnitures, um, like cupboard and the chair, the tables are from wood. But if
Dining
your
table.
okay, dining table sometimes wood, sometimes marble, sometimes glass. But for your toilet, your sink, still in furniture group, your sink. So sink is wood. Is it wood? Sink. Sinky kita. Sinky. Sinky still dalam group furniture. Harun said glass. Okay. Ada glass, ada ceramic, ada marble according to the price lah. So tak ada wood. Ada saya nampak wood but it's not in a toilet. Uh, yeah. So that things all dalam in our Asian toilets, bathrooms, most of it not would be in wood. Okay, but in like USA, UK, yang kat barat-barat, ada woods. Sebab mereka asingkan. So, according to the place lah. Tapi furniture, not all furniture. Ada yang metal, or because stainless steel also ada. We have glass. So, yang tu is false. So, this one is weak. Cogent or not cogent?
Not cogent.
Not cogent. Weak only satu pasangan, not cogent. Because the conclusion is false. Habis. So, yang ni, cuba tengok. Premise one is true or false?
True.
True. Premise two, true. Premise
True.
three, true. So, this one,
True and cogent.
hey,
Strong statement and cogent.
strong statement and caution ataupun kuat dan meyakinkan. Okay, now this one. 2 power of 3 is equals by 4. True or false? True or false? Today. True. Okay, then premise 2. True. Premise 3. Premise 3. Conclusion. Conclusion. Kesimpulan. You need to do some calculation. Awak kena gantikan setiap nombor. And then awak kena cari bahagi 4. Okay. Harun said false. Which power of you cannot divide with 4? 2 power of 0. 2 power of 0 can't be divided with 4. 2 power of 1 divided with 4. So kat situ it's false. Okay? It's false. So kata weak and not cogent. Lemah, tidak meyakinkan. Yeah, correct. Harun. This one, true, true, true. Okay. Conclusion, true or false? Guys, true or false? The product of multiples of 2 and 5 ends with digit 0. Uh, True. Yeah, correct. True. Cuba tengok. Ini multiple of 2. Ni multiple of 4. It's 4. Multiple of 2. This one also multiple of 2. Gandaan 2. Ini 5. Ni 5. Ni 5. You get 0 one. Belakang dapat 0. So, yeah lah. Correct. True. So, it's strong ataupun kuat and menyakitkan. Okay. Macam ni jangan campur bahasa in your exam. If you write strong, your partner is cogent. Jangan tukar-tukar. If English BM salah. Okay. This one 24 is a multiple of 6. Okay, yang tu tak nak. Kita buat number 6. Yeah, different languages. Rats have 4 legs. Cats have 4 legs. Horses have 4 legs. All animals have 4 legs. Kita tengok. Apa? Is it? Okay, give me the answer. Strong or weak, cogent or not cogent? Kuat, lemah, meyakinkan atau tidak meyakinkan? Terus bagi jawapan. Weak and not cogent. Hadan said weak and not cogent. Okay, it's correct. Okay, weak and not cogent. Lemah, lemah, not lemak. Tidak tidak meyakinkan. Okay, this one. Wait, I check. I check first. Ada ke yang lain? Okay, tak ada. I think I can do this. Different language. Okay, wait. Oh, you have questions. But for different questions, can different language like in bio, chem, physics, exam, mixed languages. Yeah, can. Aaron? Boleh, boleh. Yeah. Question 1. 1A, you write in English, full in English. Then 1B, you write in Malay, full in Malay. Don't campur. English plus Malay. The frog tidak mempunyai insang. No, cannot salah. So, kena tulis lengkap. One language for one question. Yang tu je. Tapi you can campur with your BM and English. Tak ada masalah. So this one, how to do a strong inductive conclusion. Ini pun agak famous. Dalam 5 minit saya boleh terangkan part ni. So you can see here, kita ambil yang ni. Dia takkan bagi ini, dia bagi ini je and then suruh awak buat conclusion. So what you need to do, awak tengok. Yang ini tak perlu tengok. Before the equals, tak perlu tengok. After the sama dengan, yang tu yang you need to see. Cuba tengok apa yang sama. Each thing, apa yang sama? 0.5. So write down 0.5 and then nombor ini awak kena jadikan constant. But kita akan gunakan n sahaja. So you write n. N for numbers. Okay, n for numbers. Yeah, n for numbers. So kita guna n. So n and then only n. Yeah. Setakat saya tahu kita guna n sahaja. If you use another letter, I don't think you get marks. So kita guna n. So ini sahaja, not for every question. For this to conclude, kita guna n. And then apa yang awak kena buat, you need to do this. And then you write n equals to. Dia start daripada berapa? 1. Then 2. Then 3. So 1, 2, 3. Bagi 3 example, then you need to have 1, 2, 3. 3 titik kat belakang. Ini wajib. If tak ada itu salah. Can understand yang tu. Awak tulis ini daripada ini, and then this one is a compulsory thing. You need to have this symbol and equals to the number starting from what? 1 until 3. We take 3 numbers and then you need to have 3 dots. Okay, cuba tengok ini. Sebelum nombor tu tak perlu tengok. Lepas sama dengan baru tengok. Apa yang sama? 3 sama. Kurungan sama. Kuasa 2 sama. Nombor tu tak sama. -3 is same. So write down 3 kurungan 2 minus 3. Dekat sini 1, 2, 3, 4. Dia ikut urutan, right? So for n, dia kena ikut urutan. Baru kita boleh guna n. Macam 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 0, 1, 2, 3. Macam ni baru kita boleh guna n. Kalau tak boleh guna. If 2, 4, 6, 8, you need to use 2n. Sebab dia darab setiap kali. Decimals in urutan kan? Ya kan. Usually they will give you like this. Bagi nombor bulat. So yang ni kita tulis n. Jangan lupa ini wajib. This one n equals to start from 1, right? So 1, 2, 3 titik titik titik. Baru betul. Ini sampai sini baru tengok betul. Okay. So still 1 minute. Okay, yang ni kita tengok. Okay. Sebelum sama dengan tak perlu tengok. After sama dengan tengok. 2 is same. The bracket is same. This one still same. Plus 1 is same. So write down 2 bracket plus 1. Then in your bracket starting from 0. Decimals in urutan can. Can already answer. Can. So baru jawab just now you already send me. Okay, decimals can. So you write down and then ini kena ada n equals to, now you start from 1 or 0. Kita start dari apa? 0. So 0, 1, 2. 3. Dia bagi 4. So kita ambil 4 lah. Mereka bagi 4. So jangan lupa the fourth thing lah. 4. Okay. Baru 3 titik. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ada 4 nombor. And then titik, titik, titik. Kena ada 3. Tak boleh tambah 4 titik. Okay. Okay. This one also same. Yang ni. 1 kuasa negatif 1. 2 kuasa negatif 1. 3 kuasa negatif 1. 4 kuasa negatif 1. Yeah. What? Yeah, correct. So, n power of negative 1, this thing, n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wajib ada 3 titik. You cannot do 4 titik. Tak boleh. Salah. Okay. Yang ni dia strict. So you need to follow the answer scheme. Yang ni you need to have 3. Okay, this one they give you 4 example, and then this one need to have this equal also. This one according to your question. At maths, yeah, sometimes they are strict. Not all. Or arithmetic, yeah, you need to follow the sequence. Tak boleh tukar-tukar. If you skip, then wrong. So you need to write down each single number. Kena tulis. Okay. Okay, now, okay, guys can understand? Boleh faham?